escape plan. Carefully timed it, so let me go and dive into the waves below. Who tends the urges? Who fixes up the gables? Emotional torture from the head of your high table. Who fetches the water from the Rocky Mountain spring and walk back down again to feel your words and their sharp sting? And I'm getting fucking tired. The capillaries in my eyes are bursting. If our love died, would that be the worst thing? For somebody I thought was my savior, a whole lot of labor. The kind of skin on my hands is cracking. If our love ends, would that be a bad thing? And the silence won't serve a chamber. You make me do too much labor. Apologies for my tongue, and never yours. Busy lapping from flowing cup and stabbing with your fork. I know you're a smart man, and weaponize the false incompetence. It's dominance under a guise. If we had